How to fix Wild Assault crashing on Steam. So first you want to go to your library, and then you want to right click on Wild Assault game on your library. Go to properties, and then under general tab you want to specify -dx11 under launch options. Then you want to go to installed files and click on the verify integrity of game files and wait for it to be done. And once it's done, you want to click on the browse button, right click on the game's exe file, go to properties and then compatibility tab, and check both of these options right here. Click on apply and OK. Now you want to close everything and try to launch the game again to see if that solves the problem. If it persists for some reason, you want to check your GPU updates. So if you have an NVIDIA, you will need to download and install NVIDIA app. Go to drivers and check for the latest update and install the latest game ready driver. And then you will need to open up your browser and install the redistributables, the latest version as well. So you can download them if you search for redist like this and click on the first link, which takes you to this website. Scroll down to this table and download and install the 86 and the 64 versions. Then you will need to restart your computer and then open up Steam again and launch the game. And that should fix the problem. Thank you guys for watching and subscribe.